It feels like a constant battle, doesn't it? The mail arrives, and your stomach sinks a little, bracing for another bill. Groceries, rent, daycare, the car payment, that unexpected school trip fee. It all adds up so incredibly fast, and the pressure can feel suffocating. You look at your bank account, then at the calendar, and wonder how you're going to make it all stretch. I've been there, staring at the numbers, feeling that familiar knot of anxiety tighten in my chest. For a long time, I thought financial peace was a luxury I couldn't afford, especially as a single parent trying to provide for my family of 3. The end of the month was a source of constant dread. But what if I told you that you could regain control? That you could manage your essential expenses and even find some breathing room, all with a weekly budget of just $300? It sounds impossible, I know. I thought so too. But I discovered it's not about earning more or making drastic, painful sacrifices. It's about being smarter with the money you already have. It's about strategy, not struggle. I've spent months refining a system that works for my family, and it has completely transformed our lives. In this video, I'm going to share that exact system with you. We'll break down every dollar, step by step. This is how I do it. No fluff, no magic tricks, just real, practical advice that you can start using today to finally breathe again. If you're a single parent or just on a tight income, you know the struggle. Every dollar counts. And overspending even $10 can throw your whole week off. So I built a system that actually works. My entire monthly budget is $300, which breaks down to just $75 a week. It's incredibly tight, but with careful planning, it is doable. Let's walk through exactly how I allocate every single dollar to make it work for my family. First, groceries get the largest slice, $120 for the month or $30 a week. I stick to a core list of staples like rice, beans, and frozen vegetables. This allows me to batch cook 2 main meals for the week, which drastically cuts down on food waste and daily cooking stress. Next, $60 is allocated for utilities. I keep the thermostat set to an efficient range, unplug devices when they're not in use, and run laundry during off-peak hours. Every little bit helps. Then, $50 goes toward rent support. For us, this is a non-negotiable part of our shared housing agreement that keeps our home stable. Transportation is budgeted at $40. This covers the bus pass and a tiny bit of gas for batching all my errands into one trip. I walk whenever possible. Finally, the last $30 goes into a buffer fund. This is for unexpected school expenses or a small emergency. If it's unused, it rolls over to the next month. There are no subscriptions, no eating out, no extras. This is a survival budget, designed purely to keep us safe and stable. I cut costs by buying off-brand and bulk items, cooking 90% of meals at home, using meal planners to avoid food waste, walking when I can, or planning errands together to save gas. Every small change adds up. $3 here, $7 there. That's real money saved. Now let's talk about the most important part of this entire process, the mindset shift. This isn't about being perfect, and it's definitely not about deprivation. It's about being prepared. For me, that shift was from feeling anxious and reactive to feeling empowered and in control. It's the difference between seeing your bank account as a source of stress and seeing it as a tool you command. Budgeting gives me that control. It's a plan, a roadmap that tells my money exactly where to go, so I'm not left wondering where it went. This preparedness extends beyond just paying bills. It's about building resilience. When a surprise expense pops up, and it always does, right? A sick kid, a flat tire, it's no longer a 5-alarm fire. It's just a problem I can solve because I've planned for it. That $30 buffer we set aside, that's my emergency fund in miniature. It's the permission to handle life without derailing our entire month. It's also about setting boundaries, learning to say no to impulse buys so you can say yes to what truly matters, like security and peace of mind. And that peace of mind is everything. It's what helps me sleep at night. There's no more tossing and turning, worrying about how we'll make it to the next paycheck. I can rest easy, knowing we have what we need, even on a small income. It's a profound sense of security that no amount of money can buy, but that a simple, consistent budget can build. It's about creating a stable, loving home, and that feeling is priceless. Now I want to hear from you. What's your go-to budget hack or grocery saving tip? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other thrive. Thanks for watching. For more helpful tips, check out these videos.